Frizzy, dull, and lifeless hair. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, bestie, you're not alone. Almost every girl struggles with breakage, dryness, or just feeling like her hair will never grow. But here's the secret. You don't actually need expensive salon treatments or dozens of products. Today I'm going to share simple, science-backed, and natural tricks that will make your hair longer, shinier, and healthier than ever. And the best part? You can start noticing visible results in just a few days if you stay consistent. So if you're ready for that dream hair glow up, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about frizz. Because honestly, nothing ruins your vibe faster than waking up with your hair looking like a giant cloud of chaos. The good news is, frizz isn't forever. One of the most powerful natural remedies is flaxseed gel. It's like magic in a jar. It deeply conditions, smooths, and makes your hair soft and shiny. You can literally make it at home. Boil 2 cups of water with half a cup of flax seeds for about 10 minutes. Let it simmer, strain it, and you'll see this amazing jelly-like gel forming. Apply it from roots to ends, leave it for 30 to 60 minutes, and rinse. Do this a few times a week, and trust me, your hair will thank you. Now, let's move on to shampoo. Something we all use, but most of us use wrong. Pouring shampoo directly onto your scalp is actually too harsh. The trick? Always dilute it with a little water before applying. This tiny step makes a huge difference. It cleans your scalp more evenly, reduces dryness, and even saves you money because you use less product. Imagine having a cleaner scalp without stripping it. That's how you set the foundation for strong hair. And speaking of foundations, let's talk about drying. If you're still rubbing your hair with a regular towel, bestie, stop right now. Regular towels cause friction, frizz, and breakage. Swap it out for a microfiber towel or even an old cotton t-shirt. It's gentler, absorbs water faster, and protects your strands from unnecessary damage. Such a small change, but it seriously upgrades your routine. Next up, brushing. The type of brush you use can completely change your hair game. Wooden brushes are not only gentler, but they also help distribute your scalp's natural oils from root to tip, which reduces dryness and adds natural shine. Plus, brushing stimulates circulation in your scalp, which means healthier growth over time. Remember to always brush from the ends upward to detangle without snapping your hair. Now let's talk about one of my favorite steps, hair oiling. Oils are basically food for your scalp. Rosemary oil is amazing for hair growth and even helps with thinning spots. Castor oil, on the other hand, is thick and nourishing, perfect for making your hair stronger and thicker. My favorite DIY blend is 1 tablespoon of castor oil mixed with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, plus a few drops of rosemary oil. Warm it up slightly, massage it into your scalp, and leave it overnight. This ritual not only nourishes your hair, but also feels like a spa treatment at home. And don't forget about your ends. They're the oldest, most fragile part of your hair. Argan oil is a miracle worker for taming frizz, sealing split ends and adding shine. Just a few drops on damp hair, and your ends will look smooth without that greasy feeling. Let's move into treatments. You don't need expensive masks when you can literally create powerful ones in your kitchen. If your hair needs instant repair, here's another hack. Mix your conditioner with a few drops of vitamin E oil. Apply to your lengths, wrap your hair in cling wrap, and leave for 30 minutes. It gives you instant shine and softness like a salon treatment. Now let's not forget rice water, the hair growth secret from centuries ago. Soak rice in water for 24 hours, strain it into a spray bottle, and spritz it onto your scalp at night. No need to rinse. It strengthens your roots, reduces breakage, and supports faster growth. And here's something most people don't think about: what you put into your body. Drinking cucumber and celery juice floods your scalp with silica and sulfur, nutrients that boost thickness, shine, and growth from the inside out. Healthy hair starts within, so don't skip this. Also, let's talk about lifestyle hacks. Switch to silk scrunchies and pillowcases. Cotton pulls at your strands while you sleep, causing breakage and dryness. Silk, on the other hand, is gentle, smooth, and helps your hair stay sleek overnight. And here's a simple but powerful habit. Braid your hair before bed. It prevents tangles, reduces breakage, and even gives you soft waves in the morning. Protective hairstyles are key for long-term growth. So bestie, healthy, long, and beautiful hair isn't about luck. It's about simple, consistent habits. From using natural oils to protecting your hair at night, every little choice adds up. Stay consistent with these tips for just a few days, and you'll already notice softer, shinier, stronger hair. Stick with them for weeks and months, and your dream hair will absolutely be yours. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Glowin for more glow-up secrets, and share this with a bestie who's on her own hair journey. Your hair transformation starts now, and